welcome to What I Eat in a Day Quarantine Edition. Obviously I won't be going out to any cafes or restaurants or anything, so you will get a really good inside look into what I cook, if that's of interest to you, and if not, well, you're gonna get that anyway. I've just had my breakfast, which was a bowl of oats, which is so standard for me. Basically every single day of my life I have oats. There's the odd exception, but generally I will have oats for breakfast, and if I don't have oats for breakfast, I will have oats for dinner. I've just had like a very chilled morning. I generally start my mornings off quite slow anyway. I will get up and do my meditation, and I'll journal or I'll do some reading. So that's been my day so far. I will see you guys at lunchtime unless I snack between now and then, which is always very likely. Actually wearing real clothes because we have to go out. We started a sourdough starter a couple of days ago and we just realized we don't have enough flour to feed it today, so we gotta go to the bulk shop, get some flour and get a coffee while we're out. This is our beautiful starter. Hi. Hey.
The board, turn a corner. There's the police.
I love the stash.
Thank you.
Like happy. Wow. I've just done a little bit of yoga because my friend Tess did a YouTube live of a yoga class, which was really cool. I just am feeling not so hot right now, so I didn't finish the class. Linnea is still doing it. And yeah, not feeling so great, so I'm not gonna cook anything for lunch. I have this butternut squash curry that I made for dinner last night. So yeah, gonna heat this up in the microwave and probably sit on my yoga mat and support Tess from my yoga mat. Even though I'm not practicing, I'm gonna be eating, but here for that because she's my girl, you know? I'm preparing my chicken burger with chips. So the chips are in the oven. I boil them first and then just fry them in the oven. That is the way my dad used to do them. I feel like it's the fastest, most convenient way. I didn't put any oil on the chips today, but normally I would just add a little bit of olive oil, but I'm about to fry some vegan chicken, so I think that the chips can do without some oil. But please, how good does this chicken look? Oh my days. had the Edgy Veg chicken burgers for dinner. I'm snacking on some dark chocolate while we make.
Wow.
Yeah.
So when you pop it in the time capsule. I was hoping you stir aggressively.
Wow.
You're so obnoxious. You can shake. You're just looking at your arms.
Do you like that? That's a popcorn muscle. That right there? Yeah, get a close up. Popcorn muscle.
Okay, sure. This is the truth though. This is how we do the popcorn. How Emma does the popcorn, yes. Always with a smile on her face. Yeah. Whoa! Popcorn! Hey, should we? Oh, it's very zoomed in. I'm just gonna back off. I don't know how to do this. Yes.
Do you think we have enough?
I mean, it is a full
think so.
bowl.
I'll put some extra cinnamon on that.
Top it all off, you know?
Oh, camera work.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to eat it? Okay, you eat it. Is that how you eat it? Yes, that's the crunch.
That's how you know it's good. You hear that?
Yeah. Can't hear anything else, then it's good.
That was everything I ate today. Linnea and I are about to enjoy this big bowl of popcorn. We're gonna watch a movie. I think that's all I'm gonna eat today. Yeah. It's 10:10. After this popcorn, we done. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Whenever that will be. Whatever that will be. Hopefully I will no longer be trapped in my house. That'll be nice. Alright. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Getting my shitty nose today?
Yeah.
Thanks. Did you enjoy that?
Tell her. Just leave it alone, Jacob. Tell me what? I met with Paul. Had a misunderstanding. There's nothing to worry about.
So that was everything I ate today. And I did like a weird Twitch thing there. What the fuck?